A new presidency and the court cases have already started. First in line, Ignatious Chombo, former finance minister. He owns more than 100 homes and he's accused of corruption. Chombo is reported to have been beaten in military custody, receiving hospital treatment. He says masked soldiers with assault rifles raided his home and he was illegally detained for 48 hours as the military takeover took place. Also before the courts, former ZANU-PF youth leader Kudzanai Chipanga, accused of corruption and slander. He had resisted the army takeover earlier this month.
We as ZANU-PF Youth League are a lion which has awakened and found its voice. Therefore, we will not sit idly and fold our hands while these cheap potshots and threats are made against the legitimate and popularly elected leader of the Revolutionary Party ZANU-PF in Zimbabwe.
The army has already withdrawn from the streets of Harare ahead of an announcement of a return to barracks. And that action coincides with a High Court judgment saying its action in taking power and putting Mugabe under house arrest was lawful. But Human Rights Watch says it's an example of the military having undue influence on the judiciary, and there are legal warnings that it could set a precedent. Emerson Mnangagwa, in his inauguration speech, had vowed to hit the ground running with a raft of measures to revive Zimbabwe's shattered economy. But he hasn't impressed the main opposition party.
He has been part of the 37 years of disappointment. 37 years of the anarchy that you see is from the same hood as Mr. Mugabe. They are cut from the same tree. So it doesn't matter that you present what appears to be a fresh deal, it remains a pipe dream.
The people really want to see quick results that change their lives. Mnangagwa may have had talks with foreign investors and foreign diplomats, but political reform and economic reform needs to happen quickly to have the effect he wants. Andrew Simmons, Al Jazeera, Harare.